Do dogs need regular nail trimming? Some dog owners never trim their pets' nails, but this depends on the dog's lifestyle. Dogs that are outdoors frequently and walk on hard surfaces may naturally wear down their nails. A multifunctional nail clipper can solve this permanently. It combines a clipper and grinder with little lights on both sides. The quiet sound won't stress your pet, keeping them calm during the process. The high-speed rotation visibly shortens the nails, allowing easy at-home grooming. The clipper also has a bloodline indicator and a collection compartment for nail clippings. It's much more affordable than a single grooming session. Check out the link below for more details.